In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free Weebly landing page. Whether you're promoting an event, showcasing your latest project, or simply creating a personal page, a well-designed landing page can make all the difference. Weebly offers an easy-to-use platform with a variety of features to help create your perfect landing page. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to the Weebly website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. For those who are new, setting up an account is straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen instructions for registration. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. Here, you will notice a menu button. Click on it to access additional options. Now you'll want to choose the Add Site option from the menu. This is where the journey of creating your new landing page begins. After selecting Add Site, you'll be prompted with a question. It asks, what kind of site do you need? For our purpose today, select I just need a website. Weebly provides various options tailored to different needs, but we're focusing on crafting a simple yet effective landing page. Moving on, you'll be taken to a selection of themes. This is an exciting part of the process as you can browse through various themes that suit different purposes, from business and portfolio to personal and events. Choose a theme that aligns with the objective of your landing page. Keep in mind the look and feel you want your visitors to experience. For this tutorial, I'll select a basic theme to demonstrate, but feel free to choose one that best fits your needs. Once you've settled on a theme, click on Start Editing. This feature will direct you to Weebly's editor, a space where you can truly customize and make the design your own. Before diving into editing the finer details of your page, you'll need a domain name. This is how people will find your landing page online, so select something relevant and easy to remember. With your domain selected, it's time to personalize your page. Begin by editing your background to set the stage for your content. A captivating background can draw attention and make your page more engaging. Next, explore the Pages section. This is your hub for organizing info. Add, remove, and rearrange pages until you find a structure that meets your goals. The final step involves exploring and editing each element to match your vision. Weebly offers a variety of tools to enhance this, from text blocks to image galleries, each customizable to create a cohesive look that communicates your message effectively. Once satisfied with your design, don't forget to preview your site, ensuring every element appears as intended. And there you have it, a fully customizable landing page ready to go live. Remember, this is only the beginning. Continually update and refine your page to keep it engaging and relevant. Thank you for watching, and happy building!